And as one of the largest manufacturers of devices, BD kind of has an interesting differentiator, which is you understand how all the devices work, or many of the
Yes.
devices work. Is there, in my brain right now, there's two different ways that you can kind of approach that knowledge. One is to like have a proprietary system that's only BD tools or prioritizes. It's kind of like what Apple does.
Mhm.
And then there's also the sort of standards route. How do you approach those decisions? And does BD have a preference or?
So look, we have to be patient-centric,
Yep.
right? So we're trying to solve the problem for the patient
Yeah.
and the outcomes for that patient. Whether we do it with our own tools and devices, and we can accomplish that, but we also need to work within the ecosystem. We need to figure out if we need a partner.
Mm.
We also do acquisitions with our guy. We need to solve the problem at the end of the day. We're going to take an initial approach with the products that we already have out there that are pretty ubiquitously used today, and we're going to try to solve as much as we can. But we're going to hit a roadblock. And eventually when you're a roadblock, we're going to need partners and others to come into that ecosystem because we're here to serve that patient at the end of the day.
I love that answer. The part in the middle where you're like, we're going to encounter roadblocks, and that those are the moments where we will learn and adapt. And so I think is like often in innovation, the roadblocks feel like failure. But for you, it's like an opportunity to ask for help, an opportunity to grow, to expand. And like, I feel like that's what some leadership experience brings to that. So
Yeah.